Hello mga kabarkada! We are here again. I am Joy.
And I'm Marie. Joy, excited na ako sa lulutuin natin today because it's one of my favorites.
And today's special sa Lutong Barkada ay Callos! Callos is a very popular stew in Madrid made of cow's tripe since the late 16th century. And of course, this is our version of Callos. And these are the ingredients: tripe, beef tendon, oxtail, Chorizo de Bilbao, chickpeas, minced garlic, chopped onions, olive oil, a lot of olive oil, peppercorn, and bay leaves. And on this side,
Okay, ito naman yung kung saan pinagpakuluan ang beef tripe, beef broth yan, green and red bell pepper, carrots, olives, green peas, salt and pepper, and we also need tomato sauce and tomato paste. Di ka na. Luto na.
tayo. Ready? First, we saute the garlic, and then we'll add the chopped onions
Right away.
Yes, para we'll just wait till the onions get translucent. Just like so.
Oh, red onions.
Red onions, I prefer red onions for this dish, pero you can use any onions that you like. So I will add the carrots now kasi most of the ingredients are cooked. So matagal kasing maluto yung carrots. Why I'm doing this, saute the carrots with onions and garlic. Now Marie, you can add the Chorizo de Bilbao. Ito, saute lang natin to hanggat lumabas yung juice niya. Just like this.
Is it spicy or any kind of chorizo de
There is
Bilbao?
a spice to it, but not too spicy.
But you can always use whatever you like, right?
Yeah, so pero Callos talagang palaging may Chorizo de Bilbao. But you can use any sausage that you like. O kaya, pwede rin yung lagyan ng bacon. Some people use bacon for this dish. Pero talaga, ang Callos, one of the main ingredients ay Chorizo de Bilbao. Yes. So we will add the oxtail. Just mix it. Ito yung ibang Callos, nilalagyan nila ng pork hocks. Pero ito, yung dish na to, we use the oxtail. And then, we will add the tripe. Luto na yung tripe. So, we all just gonna mix it all together.
Workout din to.
Yes, yan.
Pag-mix
Pero
it.
at the end, the reward is the end. We'll see, we'll use the whole can.
So Joy, how long did you boil the tripe?
The tripe, I use my pressure cooker. So, 30 minutes top. Kasi mabilis lang pag may pressure cooker. Then we'll add tomato paste.
The whole can or no?
No, I don't. Maybe like 1/3 of this can. And just mix it. Alright, we will add the broth. Ito yung pinagpakuluan ng tripe. So this is about 2 to 3 cups of the broth. just mix it. We can also add the chickpeas now. And then the olives.
Olives. Lagay ko na.
Yes.
Tada! Cute ng olives.
Just make sure na yung tomato sauce tsaka tomato paste is really cooked. Kasi napapanis kapag hindi siya masyadong luto.
Hirap i-caption yun.
Alright, so Marie, we will add the green peas. Pampakulay siya, diba? Look at that. Nice color. So, tip nga pala, you have to cook the tomato sauce and tomato paste so it will not easily spoil. You can cook it for probably 10 minutes until it thickens the sauce. And then you will know that the sauce is cooked because it's thick. But if it's too thick, you can also add more water or beef broth. Now we can add those bell pepper and the green and red. Smells so good. We'll add the salt and pepper. You will notice na sa huli ko nilalagay ang salt. Kasi yung mga meat, nalagyan ko na siya ng salt and pepper nung pinakuluan ko siya. So para just to adjust the taste, I'm adding the salt sa huli. Kasi may lasa na siya and then para lang makompleto yung lasa. Then this is pepper. Pwede nyo siyang ma-adjust sa huli. Kaya I'm putting this last. Alright, let's taste it. Tikman natin kung ang lasa is okay na. Maybe why don't you taste this?
No. Ikaw na. Mainit. Nag-shoot yung piece. Good na?
Actually, okay na siya. Pero, sa akin pang lasa, medyo missing yung tamis.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
I think I wanna put sugar. Brown sugar. Kung wala naman kayong brown sugar, you can add any sugar you want. Para lang tumamis. Balance ang tamis at alat.
So, depende na yan sa inyo kung gusto nyo ng mas matamis na dish. If you don't wanna add the brown sugar, that's fine too.
Yes. Pero ang Callos, matamis at maalat. Yung nag-aagaw tamis at alat siya. Sarap.
Yan
Pwede
na,
siya din siyang pangpulutan, guys.
Nagtitikin na siya, oh.
Yeah, so looks like it's almost done. Konting kulo pa. Mga 5 more minutes. Hanggat maluto natin mabuti ang pepper. But, you know, you can always do half cook.
Should we cover it or no more?
No, it should be okay. Ganyan lang. Let's just see. And it's very thick. Kung gusto nyo medyo may sabaw, you can always adjust water o kaya beef broth. Pero for this dish, I think enough lang yung sabaw niya. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell. And thank you to Liz for your comment and requests. And stay tuned next week as we will show you how to cook pancit bihon.
See you next time. Bye!